Alright, let's take a look at the angles itself. Alright, beautiful elegant light. It comes as a pair of two. Alright, lovely light, bright, illuminates the whole area and the entire area here. It's very bright, if you guys can see that. This is just one light, and you put a pair, makes it two. Really good. Now with the actual controller, you could turn off the light, you could turn on the light, then you could even change it to different colors. So we're going to scroll down to different colors, under colors we choose a couple patterns. If we want, we could do green, red, purple, and then we could even add music with this. So you could have this in your system and talk certain things. So we're going to push a play rhythm. So it's moving with the wave, the music. That's the light bulb. We'll pause it. Go back to the light switch. Under white tone, you have 3 different whites. You can go with patterns if you want. Choose your pattern you want on your actual light. We're going to go back to light itself. And there you have it to white. Brighten it up. Very simple to install, very simple to use. The light bulb is the smart system that actually makes the light changes, but the statics on this beautiful for your hallway, your entrance. Hope you guys enjoy the video.